Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Friday again, end of the week. Well, we had some trades this week. We made some money. It was kind of boring, even if we had the FOMC, but overall, okay. Let's say acceptable. Now, let's start as usual with higher time frame. Let's do an overview, and then we can go on lower time frame. Maybe we'll find some levels, maybe even for some setups. Slow and steady. So, CME chart, we are in the same place like yesterday on daily. At the breakout of this W, we discussed about this W, we discussed about this setup. Is for swing traders, position traders, not for lower time frame traders. You put the daily, you see the W in the long reload zone, you take the trade, you are hunting a 2-to-1, maybe more. You live with the results. I don't see anything different from yesterday. The market is in the same place. We assume that movement here, W, breakout, retest. I prefer a bigger breakout and then a retest, like you see here. A bit better. Maybe even something like this. Close to 100 and then to retest 95, 94, and then we can push higher. It's the end of the year anyway. We'll see what will happen. That's Bitcoin, Ethereum. We kind of trying to form a 3-bar fractal top here, but overall, low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Clear uptrend. We are rejecting from this support depending on the time frame. You'll see it. If you put 4-hour chart, you'll see the rejection from that support. We can say that we are in an uptrend on daily, definitely in an uptrend on 4-hour chart. If you want to hunt long setups on Ethereum, I think the best tool to use is Holy Grail, but it's totally up to you. I was hoping for a deeper pullback on Ethereum. Indicators here, we have bullish divergence here. You can see it on MACD histogram. RSI is respecting the price action. OBV is respecting the price action. The price action looks healthy. So, again, I'll say it again and again. Don't short Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum versus Bitcoin. We had yesterday, you can see this dump to retest. Classic. W, breakout, retest, higher high, and now we are retesting this level, and I said 0.035, it's a good level to bounce. Let's see if today, tomorrow, maybe Monday will bounce and will push higher. Finally, we broke out from this downtrend channel, we made some W's, we made some higher highs, we broke the structure, we changed the direction of the chart. Now let's wait and see what will happen. Usually, it's steps up. So you have one step, second step, and so on. So pushing higher, retracement, pushing higher, retracement, but the overall direction is up. Let's see if it will be the case. I don't know why some people are overcomplicating, using different tools and this and that, when it's pretty simple. Higher highs and higher lows define a bull market. Lower highs and lower lows, it's a bear market or a downtrend. Let's not say bear market. Let's say downtrend. Equal highs and equal lows means range. Come on, people, it's so fucking easy. Look at it. Lower highs and lower lows. Downtrend. Equal highs and equal lows. Range. Higher highs and higher lows. Uptrend. It's not hard. Why you use a complicated method when you have a simple one which is working better, a lot better? Anyway, that's your business. Dominance. I had this YAM and this inverse head and shoulder there. You can see the YAM is still valid. We bounced yesterday. I need to go on 4-hour chart to have a better view. Well, I don't know if we can still consider a head and shoulder here. Why? Well, just because we broke this level. We traded above the left shoulder high. That means we are in a range. That means we invalidated this pattern. So no head and shoulder anymore. If I'll put the daily, okay, if I'll put the daily, I could see the same. We can still see the M. It's still a valid M here, the big daily M, big daily M here. We didn't broke the high, but in the same time, we're not breaking down. We are going sideways. So we have a daily M, but we are going sideways. And looking at the price action here, looks like we are still fucking around with the 60% as the resistance. Well, maybe we'll need to wait more. Who knows? Yes. Well, strong. Look how we closed yesterday. So yesterday we closed, not the week. The close is above the previous week high. It's a range. The market is strong. We can do a breakout and push to the all-time high. I think they want to do that before the end of the year. To say, well, look at the market. Well, market is at the all-time high. Come on, end of the year, everything is bullish, everything is nice and clean. I think they want to do that, but it's not up to me. I'm just watching what is happening. Okay, so that's yes. Let's see gold. Strong, pretty strong here in the short reload zone. A little bit more and we'll break the all-time high. I told you, if you don't see a clear EM, don't short gold here because it's strong. Yeah, we have allocation, but I wanted a clear EM here and we never got a close, never got a clear EM. We can push higher. Yes, if you're in this high, yes. I recommend to long here, no. I recommend to short, no, without a clear setup. You have location, but nothing more. So you have the shark level. If you are playing the shark, then yes, but if you are playing a setup with multiple confirmation, you have to wait. Silver, well, I'll just zoom out a little bit. Nothing I can say about silver. It's just pumping. If you are in, you are happy. If you are not in, next boss. I blabbed away too much to say anything about this one. I said at the entry, at the second entry, now it's pumping. Don't chase it. It's all I could say. Don't chase it here. It's late. Mr. Booba, sorry. Please don't mention that coin again here. Just don't. Total market cap, well, W breakout retest, okay. But like I said about Bitcoin, I prefer a bigger one, a bigger breakout. You can see here the market is coiling, is reducing the volatility. Will explode at some point in time. Symmetrical triangle kind of idea. I think Total 3 is preparing for a move up, but you know, I'm not the guy to predict the market. So that's my overview. Not too many things changed from yesterday. You saw in the comments that someone mentioned a specific coin. If you mention that coin, maybe I'll time you out. Maybe I'll remove you from the chat, and you'll never be able to chat again. Okay? Please don't play stupid games with me. I don't like them. Okay, so let's go on lower time frame. Let's see what we have on 1 hour, 4 hour chart. Let's see what we have from yesterday. How many stop losses we hit. How many take profit. And let's hunt for the next one. Okay, this was the trade yesterday posted for premium and VIP. Look at it. We took this trade in the London session, I was live streaming for VIP and I said, I'll take this W, looks nice, take it if you want, 0.5. Well, we hit the take profit, 3.6, even 4 to 1 if you put that week, even more than that. But let's say 61.8 short reload zone here. Then we retraced, and I don't know if we'll do an AB equals CD or we'll retrace all the way back down. For the moment, I don't have an AB equals CD, so if you want to join in this trade, you have to put the fib with the long reload zone. Okay? If the market will come back down, do another double, you can enter. The trade is done for me. I still have 20% from the original position, but I took the profit. Happy camper, made some money. It's okay. Let's go on Bitcoin. What do we have here? You remember this trade here? We shorted. We got risk free before the FOMC. In the FOMC, we got lucky and didn't stop us out. Why I say lucky? Because in FOMC, the volatility could explode and was easy to stop us out and then to dump. But luckily, we are still in the trade. We reached one by one, we reached even the final target, the Monday low. Here I attempted a long, if you remember yesterday. Of course, in the New York session, they had to stop me out. And a smart trader who paid attention more than me, I was blabbing away at that moment in time, Alex managed to take this SFU. Look at the trade now. That's a fucking trade. That's a nice risk to reward. Well, I missed that opportunity. I took this trade here, this W here. I took it by myself, small position from my phone. I wasn't at my desk. I didn't post anywhere, so it's just what I took there. Took my profit in the short reload zone. Actually, we are playing ping pong. If you zoom out a little bit, you'll see. Swing low, swing high. Long reload zone, short reload zone, long reload zone, short reload zone. Okay, so the market is going sideways and is respecting the fib levels. Take advantage if you know how to do it. Yeah, take advantage because it's not, I don't know, it's not so hard to take advantage here. Okay, so that's Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Well, I cannot say that it's a nice W there. Similar. I was waiting for a W here. I said, well, it's not the best location. Not the best location. We managed to break that low there. We made a W exactly in the Monday high, and then we pumped. Unfortunately, this wasn't a setup for me. So, no. I was waiting. Maybe my expectation stood in front of my setup. I was expecting either the green, either this one, dumping all the way down in the long reload zone and then do a W. And actually the market did the third one sideways. Going sideways. It's in the middle of nowhere from my point of view. We are above the Monday high, but we are between the Monday high and the short reload zone. I want to trade there? No. I saw some people saying that we should short. I don't recommend that. Why? Well, let's look at the price action. Let's look at the structure in the market. You have a low. You have a lower low, high, a lower low. And from here, from this point, we are starting to change the structure. But aggressively, not a W on lower time frame. Low, high, higher low, and here we can pump. We need to pump how much? $25 to create a higher high. And if we'll do that, and if we'll close above that level, from now until, I don't know, till Monday, but probably until the New York session, that will create an uptrend. So please don't short there. Don't go, well, short, I'm smart. Well, okay. I'm not saying the market could not go down. I'm saying that what I see there doesn't inspire me to short. And why the fuck I should short Ethereum when I can short Bitcoin, which is already in the short reload zone. Here I had another one with red, hunting a W here. Well, let's put 4-hour chart. Look how ugly it is on 4-hour chart. Some bullish divergence forming on RSI, but nothing special on OBV, nothing special. Okay, I'll wait here for a proper W. RVV we talked about. Let's scan some shitcoins. Let's see what we have from yesterday. What you see with green here, that means I'm in the trade already. If I'm not stopped out. I'll remove, if the trade is done, I hit the stop loss. After I do this daily crypto plan, I'll remove it from this list and I'll frame it again for the next one. But I don't want to remove it before I do the live stream. Why? I want people to see also when we take the stop losses, not only when we hit the take profit. So if a trade hits stop loss overnight, I'll let the trade with green here. I'll show you, well, we hit the stop loss, and then I'll remove the trade from the trading view. I think that's fair for everyone. And I think that will show people that indeed we need to respect the risk management, because without that, it's impossible to make money. So this one, underwater, risk-free, nothing we can do here. Slightly in profit. We already hit 1-to-1, so we should be risk-free. The rest is up to you. APR, look at it. Overnight, hit our stop loss. We didn't manage to get risk-free, so we took a full stop loss here. 1% loss, no big deal, next boss. So now I could remove this one. I showed it to you. I could remove the trade. I journal it in my journal. Next boss. This one didn't stop us out. It's fucking around in the below our entry. But look at it. We have some W's. Anyway, I have the option to modify this trade to do something when we'll reach 1-to-1. Until then, I'm not allowed to touch it. Just stay there. Avant, I think we had a trade, or why this one is with green? I think we had something here days ago. Let's remove that one. Blue AI, we hit the take profit. I still have a little bit. Because I'm still in the trade, I still have this one here. The trade is done. We took it. We had a lot of time to take it. We hit the take profit. Now it's coming back down. I still have a moon bag. Wait for the next W if you want to enter. Nice location again, but no clear W on 4-hour chart. Similar here. Look at the W trying to form. Unfortunately, we are in the trade. From this big W, we are underwater. Nothing we can do. Okay. Underwater here also. Just a second. I want to check my phone. Okay. 1 second. Nice location on Eva. Some WZ full form here. That's not bad. I see a W maybe on 1 hour. Is this enough? I don't know about that. Why? Well, if you take a W here, you have enough room to at least to move your stop loss to scratch until you'll hit the resistance. It's at limit. Maybe you have, maybe you don't. So I don't know if you want to take this one. Maybe let it consolidate a bit more. Maybe do another dump. Doesn't look too bullish here. Let's go back on 4. FF in the trade, risk free, nothing we can do. Recall. Well, this one We took the money off the table. We have a small position left. And also, I was framing here an AB equals CD. You can see AB, CD. It's at limit to 66 here. We scratched that 66 with a wick. You can see. So it's at limit for AB equals CD. But I could see a bot setup forming here. I could see a consolidation and all of a sudden pumping. I think so. Because the market is consolidating here and is not dumping back down below 65, 61 to go in the altcoin long reload zone. If we don't see a clear W, a good setup here, the level we should watch is this one. Pretty simple. 009, 29 or something. Either you take this level and you put an entry here, stop loss at the lows, or you wait for a double in this area. Okay. Trader, this motherfucker is lazy. It's like, doesn't want to do anything. Nothing. If you are not in this trade, don't take a trade here. Wait for a proper double. If you are in the trade and you are risk free, then, well, nothing you can do. Just let it play itself out. There are chances to push higher. There are chances to push lower. Rob, you want me to explain what a bot setup is in a live stream on YouTube? Bot setup is a continuation setup, setup learned from Brian Beamish at TRI. Yeah? That's a bot setup. A continuation setup learned by me when I learned to trade at TRI. You can go and ask Brian, or you can even go and make an account for TRI. Brian is leaving TRI this month, so follow Brian. I think that's the best. Truth. Nice location, but all over the place. You remember we had a trade, stop us out, and well, I forgot to remove the tag here, the green tag. But actually took a stop loss here. We took the W. Well, look at us, how smart we are. Took the small one. We managed to get risk free and then all the way down. And then up again. Ugly volatility. We took a loss, but no damage done to our portfolio because we managed to get risk free. I even posted when was pumping, get the trade risk free. Xpin, similar. We had a setup and some time ago we hit the stop loss most probably. Nice location here, but I don't see that 4-hour W. I just don't see it. It's the market has location. It's at the lows. Okay, nice, clean. Look at daily pump and dump. But what do we say for a daily pump and dump? After the pump and the dump, the market needs a long consolidation to find the new bottom, to find where is the support. So maybe it's better to just leave it alone. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. Nice location here, nothing to do. Aster, no W at the other side of the trend line, but let's pay attention here. Okay, no setup here, nice location. Similar, a small W there, but I don't know if you want to take it or just ignore it. It's a 4-hour double. Let's see the indicators. Just following the price action, so nothing special. Could this W give you a nice result? I think so. If you pump here, you can make it risk free, and if you pump higher, you can book a profit. Your main purpose is to make the trade risk free, so you don't have open risk. Is the W there? Yes, it is. W breakout and retest. If you go on 1 hour, you'll see it even better. Is the best? Could be just a dead cat bounce and we can dump lower. That's possible. Look at the OBV. OBV is telling us we should stay the fuck out. Look at the RSI, Ws. Look at the OBV, EMs. with the M's in OBV, it's better to stay the fuck out. Just my 2 cents, people. Just my 2 cents. I'm not a financial advisor. Just a stupid trader. Okay, Jiggle is trying to do a W. I don't have any confidence here. I love the location. I love the fact that he's making a W, but I don't see the clear W in breakout. He's attempting a W. Could be the bottom for the moment. Possible. You want to fuck around and find out? Up to you. Respect the risk management. With a good risk management, anything is possible. No W. Nothing here. He's trying to form a 4-hour W, but has some more to do. Sideways. Nice location here, you can see. Look at the overall on daily, look at 4-hour, okay, acceptable. We had the W breakout, and now we are coming back down. Don't chase it here, but if you see a W forming in the next days, I think it's possible, I think it's doable. It's up to you. Mira, no W. Trying, but no W. That's not a W. Big W, breakout and retest. It's kind of big. I don't know if you want to take this one. For me, to take a trade like this, I need to go and see the community. I need to see if I buy something on spot. I have to have a bit more confidence, and it's not just a trade. I'll take it on spot and I'll put a soft stop loss here. Don't fuck around with soft stop losses if you don't have at least 10,000 trades under your belt. And if you don't have some experience. Yeah? Soft stop losses, we use them only on spot. We use them on higher time frame setups from time to time. And we get the fuck out exactly the moment we decided that we'll get the fuck out. If you are not able to respect that, don't even use them. Use a hard stop loss. That's a lot better and a lot easier. Trust. Let's see what we have. Well, it's trying to do a W. And I don't know about that. No. Plasma. I dollar cost average. I have a nice bag. I don't want to trade if I don't have another W. I took a trade here. I took some profit off. If we'll take this low here, will stop me out. I didn't post the trade, so it's not on the trading view here. But for a new setup, I need clear reasons to take a trade. And looking at the price action here, I think we need daily W's already. Okay. So give me daily W's and I'll think about it. Nice location. The pocket is here. You can see the volume is here. But we need daily W's from now on. It's already old. It's from August. It's not a new shiny coin. It was new and shiny. And now it's not. Look at it. Everyone will ignore it. Will say, well, it's not pumping anymore. Well, it's a scam. And well, you'll see daily W's, maybe weekly W's, and then pump. And then dump back down. Nothing fancy about it. Trying to form a W in the long reload zone, not a W yet. The problem I have is this big M above us. And nothing here. Nice location on almost all the altcoins, but not enough for us to trade. Monad. I discussed about this one. Pump, dump, dump, pump. Don't touch it. If we'll let it to consolidate. Look at the Bollinger Bands here. Huh? We had volatility. Everything was pumping, dumping. Yeah, now nobody's talking about it. And we'll slowly bleed, and this will get tighter and tighter. And at some point in time, we'll form a bottom. And then we'll see volatility again, and maybe we'll get a setup. It's that simple for me. We managed to get a scam coin on Binance. You can see we had AYA, we pumped, we dumped, and then they delisted it from Binance. Simple as that. That's a rug. Clear. Without questions. Don't tell me that Binance didn't know. Don't tell me. No. That was a pump in a dump. They pumped everything up. They dumped it. And they saw that people are still holding it. And they said, well, okay, let's delist it. And it's gone. I think you have it on other exchanges, but doesn't matter. It's gone from Binance. And the price, you don't want to see it. Anything else? Anything special here on the list? No, I don't see anything. River is pumping, but we don't chase something like this. We had W's here. Now it's in the short reload zone, or almost in the short reload zone. Let's zoom out a little bit. Yeah. It's in the short reload zone already. Let's put a classic short reload zone. There you go. Almost. Almost in the short reload zone. Don't chase it here. Also, don't short. We don't know what a coin like this can do. But it's too late for us to trade this one. Enso. Well, Enso has 5%, but, well, doesn't have any W. It's just ranging. Up and down, up and down. Well, people, I blabbed away for half an hour. I looked at the same coins. Why I'm not looking at the old coins? Because they are not doing anything. If the new coins are not pumping and don't have enough volatility, I don't think the old ones will have any. Yeah. From time to time, one of the coins will pump. We managed to get the pump with RVV yesterday. Now, nothing I can do. I could just wait to see what is next. If we'll form an AB equals CD, I'll try to play that AB equals CD. If not, let's wait for the long reload zone. Ethereum. I consider an ugly range here, people. I don't consider a clear, valid setup. It's possible to pump higher and then we'll create an uptrend, but for the moment it's going sideways. Like also Bitcoin. Just the range is a bit bigger on Bitcoin. Look at it. We are fucking around between 95 and 90k. $5,000 range. Enough for scalpers or day traders to make money. Not enough for a swing trader to do something. So if you are a swing trader, you're kind of stuck in this environment. If you look on higher time frame, then you can see, for example, on CME, you can see a swing trader, a position trader has to take this W. It's at the entry. You don't care about the lower time frame noise up and down, up and down. As long as you are above 80k, you are okay. And above 90k, you are in profit. The noise between these levels, it's just noise for you. Day traders could make money in this noise on higher time frame, yeah? The noise on higher time frame is money for the day traders. But you cannot become a day trader just like that. No. You have to work your ass as a swing trader. You have to become profitable as swing trader, learn the process, be able to respect the process over and over again. Show me that you are profitable at least 6 months as a swing trader. And then we can try to teach you about day trading. Everyone wants to be a scalper. They open an account, they heard about crypto. I'm a scalper, I'm a day trader. Really? So, few places left for Cup 01. Yeah? We exceed 50% days ago. Slow and steady, we'll close the registration for Cup 01. We don't accept more than 20 people. Yeah? If all the people I discussed in the chat will book their place, I have to close the registration already. Yeah? If they'll do the payment, I have to close and just wait until we'll finish this program to start the next one. We'll open the Cup 2 next week, most probably. So pay attention when we'll announce. You can DM Stefan. If you are a beginner, you don't have any business to join Cup 2, please don't try it because it's bad for you. But if you know what you are doing, well, could be an advantage. VIP is closed until next month. We are trading. We are trying to make as much money as possible, trying to respect the process. Overall, because it's Friday, I think this week was acceptable. Kind of boring, Keep in mind that we had FOMC, but profitable. I overviewed the trades posted by Stefan this week in the VIP and I was impressed. When you draw the line, you see, well, the guy made money. Yeah. The guy made money. No, total is 10 people for Capuatu. Okay, people. That being said, it's Friday. Please, in the weekend, don't stay in front of your computer and watch the 5-minute chart. Wait, watch the paint drawing on Bitcoin chart. Go outside, take care of your family, relax, so you can start over next week. You saw that in the weekend the price action is shit. Why we should stay 2 days instead of relaxing, instead of charging our batteries, instead of taking care of our family? I don't see why. I'll pay attention from time to time. I'll look at the chart from here and there to see if it's something, but I'll enjoy my weekend. And I suggest you to do the same. We have New York session. We have London. We have New York session. At the end of the day, couple one people, we have another live stream to review the trades. So that will be fun at the end of the day. What I noticed in couple one last 2 live streams, people managed to get the setups properly. They are not doing the big mistakes. They are doing smaller mistakes and they are evolving. As long as they are continuing to log and to learn and to hunt setups and to respect the process, they will become traders. Some of them will become damn good traders, but it's only up to them. So, that being said, let's call it a live stream. Please don't bug me about why I don't allow everyone in Discord. I said it multiple times. Okay, let's call it a live stream. See you next time. Bye bye.